Good morning, my dear students and my dear friend. This is Sudhir and welcome you all on today's class. And today I am back again with the same topic that we have understand yesterday. So today we will understand about some division fact once again, and then we will proceed towards some small question which is based on the division facts. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's begin with the division facts. Okay, so as you can see, as you can see, I have written here the division facts. Okay, so there are 4 division facts. Okay, in the yesterday's video, I have written 5 division facts. So the another division fact is important, but it is not in your syllabus. Okay, if you understand, so you can solve that questions. But if you not understand, so leave that one. First of all, we have to understand these 4 important division facts. Okay, so these are the 4 important division facts. That means the properties of division. We have already learned about the properties of addition, properties of subtraction, properties of multiplication, and now we are proceeding with a division fact. That means the properties of division. Okay, so हम लोगों ने addition की properties में क्या पढ़ा था? If we have the two numbers, if you are adding the two numbers, you can change the order of number, and the order property is also hold in multiplication. Yes, if you are multiplying the two numbers, you can change the order of number. 2 3s is 6 and 3 2s is also 6. ठीक है? And in the multiplication, we learned about the factors, multiples, product. Yes, and similarly we will understand some important division facts. So first division fact that is not written here, and that is what is meant by quotient. Quotient क्या होता है? Quotient is a answer of division. Repeat with me. What is meant by quotient? Division का जो answer है, that is called as quotient. That means we can say that the resultant of division or the answer of division is called quotient. क्या होता है quotient? Answer of division. Okay, and what is product? Product is the answer of multiplication. That means the resultant of addition, resultant of multiplication is product. Resultant of division is called quotient. Okay, उसको quotient बोलते हैं. ठीक है, तो चलो फर्स्ट वाले की तरफ चलते हैं. And what is that? When a number is divided by 1. Okay, now the number is divided by 1. किसी नंबर को आप 1 से डिवाइड कर रहे हो. Okay, let's take example. If you have 5 divided by 1, we have to divide 5 by 1. We have to split the table of 1 जब तक 5 नहीं आता. 1 1 जा 1, 2 जा 2, 3 जा 3, 4 जा 4, 5 जा 5. So when you will divide the number by 1, you will get the number itself as a quotient. Answer में वही आ जाएगा. If you are dividing the number by 1, so the quotient is number itself. This is a quotient. This is the quotient. Quotient means answer of division. Very good. Let's take one more example. If there is 50 and you are dividing 50 by 1, so we have to split the table of 1 up to till 50. 50 आएगा कब? 50 बार में ही तो आएगा. 1 1 जा 1, 1 2 जा 2, 1 3 जा 3, 1 10 जा 10, 1 11 जा 11, 1 12 जा 12. लगे रहो लगे रहो लगे रहो. 50 will come in 50 times. So it is 50. Simple. चलो सेकेंड वाले की तरफ चलते हैं. And the second property is saying that when a number is divided by itself, now the number is divided by itself. We are dividing 5 by 5. We are dividing 10 by 10. That means the divisor and quotient, divisor and dividend, both are same. Look everyone here. If you are dividing 5 by 5, 5 को 5 से ही डिवाइड कर रहे हो भैया. So we have to split the table of 5 up to till 5. So 5 1 is 5. लिखो 1, खत्म. That means if the dividend and the divisor both are same, that means what? You are dividing the same number by same number. That means you are taking the same number as a dividend and divisor. So in this case, the quotient is always 1. Okay, that means what? When a number is divided by itself, the quotient is always 1. Let's take one more example. I'm taking 25 divided by 25. Now we have to split the table of 25 up to till 25. 25 के टेबल में 25 फर्स्ट टाइम में आ जाएगा, 25 बन जा 25. So we will write here 1. Simple. If you are dividing by 1, answer is itself. If you are dividing by itself, answer is 1. 1 का itself का 1. It is vice versa. Ulta, ulta. Okay. So now let's move towards the third one. And third property is a very, very important property. 0 divided by any number. Listen carefully, students. By जो लिखा है ना, इधर क्या लिखा है? By. So the number which is connected with by itself, by 1. By के साथ में attached number is your divisor. That means what here? In this case, any number, we can take any number in at the place of divisor. Yes. So here 0 is divided by any number. 0 is divided by any number. That means 0 is the dividend. 0 को किसी भी नंबर से डिवाइड करो. ठीक है. So I am taking 5 ले लो. अच्छा नंबर है ये, प्यारा नंबर. Okay. So 0 divided by 5. 0 is what? 0 is dividend because we are dividing 0. Okay. So that is the dividend. And the 5 is divisor. You can write anything here because the property is saying that 0 is divided by. अच्छा ये भूल गया मैं. 1 minute. 0 is divided by any number gives quotient 0. If you are dividing the 0 by any number, the quotient is always 0. That means if the dividend is 0, answer is 0. क्या बोला मैंने? अगर डिविडेंड 0 रहा तो आपका आंसर 0 है. Whatever the number you will write at the place of divisor, it is always 0. अगर यहां 0 रहा तो आंसर में 0 ही आएगा. ठीक है. So this 0 is the quotient, this 0 is the dividend, and this is बच्चा ही कौन है? Divisor. बस. And the fourth one is division by 0 is meaningless. Listen dear students. What is that? Division by 0. By 0. By 0. That means here the 0 is present at the place of divisor. And if the divisor is 0, answer is meaningless. Now what is the meaning of meaningless? अब देखो ध्यान से. ठीक है. I am writing here any number which is 5 divided by 0. Listen dear students, don't be confused in these two properties. This property is saying that 0 is divided by any number. फिर से बोलता हूं, 0 divided by any number is always 0. But in this case, any number is divided by 0. Divided by 0 divided by any number. उल्टा है एक दूसरे के. ठीक है. So at the place of dividend बहुत simple है. At the place of dividend, if you are finding 0, so answer is 0. But here कहानी उल्टी है. The 0 is present at the place of divisor, and whatever number you are taking as a dividend, it is meaningless. What is meant by meaningless? I am writing here is equal to meaningless. ठीक है. और you can use a symbol of meaningless. या फिर आप ये सिंबल भी लगा सकते हो. Just like plus, minus, multiply. Yes, multiply ऐसा होता ना. Similarly, there is a symbol of meaningless. ये meaningless का symbol है. ठीक है. You can write either the spelling or either the symbol of meaningless. ठीक है. So now the question arises that why it is meaningless. Meaningless का मतलब ये है there is no meaning like this. If I am taking the number, कहाँ लिखूं? I am writing here. Which number it is? 5. Now it is still 5. 5 6 0 लगाता हूं. रुको. नाउ what is which any change in this number? कोई change है इस number में? No. There is any change in the place value of 5? No. Okay, that means what? If you are adding the zero in the beginning of the number, meaningless, किसी काम का नहीं है भाई, कोई काम का नहीं है. Similarly, ये कोई काम का नहीं है. क्यों? वो काम का नहीं है. देखो अभी अच्छे से. We have to speak the table of zero. ध्यान से सुनो. Okay, be focused, look front. We have to speak the table of zero up to till 15. 15 जब तक नहीं आता बोलते रहो. 0 1 जा 0, 0 2 जा 0, 0 3 जा 0, 0 4 जा 0, 0 100 जा 0, 0 200 जा 0, 0 0 0 0. कभी आएगा ही नहीं. That means what? He is saying that बोलते रहो. तो क्या बोलते ही रहेंगे क्या? हैं? We have to speak the table of zero up to till 15. अगर मैं उसको जन्म भर भी बोलूंगा ना, if I am speaking infinite number of times, बहुत बार बोल रहा हूं तो भी नहीं आएगा. That means what? It is continuous process. कभी नहीं आने वाला. That means it is meaningless. टेबल मत बोलो, सीधा meaningless कर दो, कुछ नहीं होने वाला. जीरो का कुछ नहीं हो सकता. It is meaningless. समझ गया? If the divisor is zero, it is meaningless. And if the dividend is zero, dividend zero हो गया, then we will write zero as a quotient. यहां meaningless क्यों नहीं आया? अब ये पूछोगे. Yes, you will ask why there is a zero. Why it is not meaningless? So again I'm explaining. Look, here the zero is in the place of dividend. Here the zero is at the dividend, and we have to speak the table of 5 का टेबल बोलो. कब तक? जब तक जीरो नहीं आता. तो हमको पता है 5 के टेबल में जीरो आता है. कब? 0 टाइम्स में. 5 0 जा 0 आ गया, तो 0 जा सिंपल. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज 0. समझे ना? नहीं समझे तो फिर से देखो एक बार. एंड इफ यू हैव रिटन दिस प्रॉपर्टीज इन योर नोटबुक, तो उसको मत लिखो, डोंट राइट. And if you have not written, अभी तक नहीं लिखा है, so quickly note down in your maths notebook. You have the 30 seconds to click a screenshot. You can use your 3 fingers like this. अगर आपका MI का फोन है तो आप ऐसे 3 fingers को करोगे तो screenshot आ जाएगा. And if you have the Vivo phone, so you have to use like this. Upper side scroll करना है 3 उंगली से. So you can click a screenshot. ठीक है? तो इसी के बारे में पता है. Quickly click a screenshot. Or you have one another option. Shutter अपर साइड में मेन्यू होता है, वहां पे स्क्रीनशॉट का ऑप्शन होगा. या फिर प्रेस द वॉल्यूम डाउन बटन एंड द पावर बटन साइमल्टेनियसली, साथ में, फॉर अ फ्यू सेकेंड्स, देन स्क्रीनशॉट विल क्लिक. ओके, तो फटाफट से स्क्रीनशॉट निकालो और उसको लिख लो. क्विकली नोट डाउन इन योर मैथ्स नोटबुक. ओके. Okay, I'm waiting for the 30 seconds. Quickly click a screenshot. Screenshot. Dear students, don't write this one. Okay, it is only for your understanding. ठीक है, उसको मत लिखो. Okay, dear students, so now let's move towards the checkpoint. Okay, and this checkpoint is available on page number, which page number? 92. ये जो है वो page number 92 पे available है. So let's move to solve these questions, and it is very very interesting. So चलो checkpoint की तरफ चलते हैं. Okay, so in this checkpoint, these questions is totally based on the properties, that means the division facts, that means the properties of divisions. क्या बोला मैंने? These all the questions are based on the division fact. Okay, we have to understand the division fact and then we have to solve these questions. ठीक है, तो चलो शुरुआत करते हैं questions के. Okay, so as you can see here, this 14 and this is 1. So 14 divided by 1. What is this? 14 divided by 1. So in this question, that means in this case, the 14 is the dividend. Yes, जो 14 है that is the dividend and this 1 is the divisor. So if the divisor is 1, that means if you are dividing any number by 1, so what will happen? The quotient will be number itself. So 14 will come directly in the quotient. Yes, we will write here 14. Okay, so let's move second question. Let's move toward the second question. And the second question have 26, 26. In this case, both the dividend and the divisor both are same. Yes, and I told you that if the divisor and dividend both are same, that means what? The number is divided by itself. So the quotient is 1. So we will write 1. Okay, this is 1. अरे अच्छे से लिखो. Write properly. Okay, this is 1. Okay, now in this question, the divisor is 9 and the dividend is 0. Dividend is 0, divisor is 9. That means what? If the 0 is divided by any number, if the 0 is divided by any number, it's always 0. Okay, okay, very good. Now in this case what? 32 divided by 1. In this question, the 32 is a dividend and 1 is the divisor. So if you are dividing any number by 1, the quotient is number itself, 32. Okay, here 76 divided by 1, that means you are dividing the number by 1. And if the divisor is 1, quotient is number itself. So we will write 76 as it is as a quotient. Now in this question, the divisor and dividend and the divisor both are same. That means what? We are dividing the same number. Sorry, we are dividing the number by itself. So 11 के टेबल में 11 बन जा 11 बन जा 11. 1 अच्छे से लिखो ऐसे. Okay, now here the dividend is 0. That means we are dividing the 0 by 14, and we understood that, what we understood? If the dividend is 0, that means you are dividing the 0 by any number is always 0. 9 divided by 1 is 9. अरे लिखो लिखो फटाफट. Write down quickly on page number 92. Don't wait. 2 and 2. Here we are dividing the number by itself. Both are same. If both are same, answer is 1. Answer is 1. Okay. Now here 12 divided by 12. Again dividend and divisor both are same. That means what? We are dividing the number by itself. If you are dividing by itself, it is again 1. 0 is placed as a dividend. 0. अरे यहाँ पर कोई मीनिंगलेस वाला क्वेश्चन ही नहीं है. Let's write 5 divided by 0. ठीक है. So let's move this. Let's move towards the next question. 25 divided by 1. In this case, 25 is a dividend and 1 is the divisor. That means what? We have to divide the 25 by 1. And we know that, what we know? If the number is divided by 1, the quotient is number itself. That means we will write 25. Okay, here the dividend and the divisor both are 39. Both are 39. That means what? We are dividing the number by itself. Itself ka 1 ka itself. So if it is itself, both are same. The quotient is 1. And the quotient means what? It is a resultant of division. If you are dividing the 39 by 39, that means we have to speak, बोलना है 39 का टेबल up to till 39. 39 बन जा 39. So it will come in the first time. पहली बार में तो आ जाएगा. Okay. Now here, if the 0 is divided by any number, answer is 0. Like this. 90 divided by 10. 10 nines are 90. 10 nines are 90. We have to divide 90 by 10. That means we have to speak the table of 10 up to till 19. जब तक 90 नहीं आता, so we know that 10 9 is 90. And listen student, this is not available in your book. वो आपकी बुक में प्रिंटेड नहीं है. If there is zero is present in the place of divisor, that means if you are dividing any number, any, ये ऐसा 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 कौन सा नंबर है तो मालूम नहीं. यूनिट टेंस 100,000 10,000 लाख 1 लाख तक पहुंच गया. नहीं नहीं नहीं, इट इज नॉट इन अवर सिलेबस. इतना बड़ा हम लोग नहीं पढ़ेंगे. सो इज दिस बहुत बड़ा हो गया भाई. इट इज वेरी वेरी लार्ज नंबर. ओके, एंड वी डोंट नो व्हाट दैट नंबर. सो व्हाई वी विल टेक अ स्मॉलर नंबर लाइक टकना रे 5 5 0. Okay, so this is number which is 550. If you are dividing 550 by 0, और एक नंबर और लिख दो. चलो लो, it is 1550. कौन सा नंबर है? which number it is? 1550 divided by 0. meaningless. ऐसा आएगा. it is meaningless. we have to speak the table of 0 up to till 1550. कभी नहीं आएगा. It is meaningless. That means if your divisor is 0, answer is meaningless. Okay, so I am making the small quiz on this topic. Okay, थोड़ी देर में मैं आपको सेंड करता हूँ. I hope you understand this all the problems, and if you have any doubts you can ask. Quickly note down in your maths book on page number 92, and there are some questions which is mental maths on the same page number. We will solve after this. Okay, so quickly note down, or you can click a screenshot. You have the 30 seconds to click a screenshot. I think the time is very much, बहुत ज़्यादा time हो गया है. So I will make the another video for the next questions. ठीक है? Then that is very easy. Look the question, page number 92. देखो एक minute. Look everyone, page number 92. There is a number line on which there is a difference of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, like that. Yes, now. So look the first question. How many 2's are make 16? How many number of 2 will make 16? That means what? How many times 2 is required to make 16? कितने बार 2 चाहिए 16 बनाने के लिए? So it is very simple. We will divide the 16 by 2. ठीक है? Why we will divide by 16 by 2? Because we know that we require 2. That means we have to share the 16 in the group of 2, 2, 2, 2. And we know that division means equal sharing. So 16 को करेंगे divide 2 से. So 8 2s is 16. Yes, or 2 8s is 16. That means we required 8 times 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. We have to add 8 times 2. Then we will get 16. तो आंसर 8 आएगा. ठीक है? How many 2 will make 6? 2 plus 2 plus 2. 3 times 2 will make 6. 3 2s is 6. So second answer is 3. Okay. That means you have to divide the bigger number by smaller number. ठीक है? Look everyone, how many 2 will make 10? 10 है हमारे पास. We have the 10. Okay. So how many 2 are there? So we will close the two fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means we have to divide the 10 in the group of 2, 2. 1, 2. एक बार हो गया. 1, 2. 2 times. 1, 2, 3 times. 1, 2, 4 times. 1, 2, that is 5 times. So answer is 5. Question number 4. How many 2 will make 12? So we have to divide the 12 by 2. So that means we have to split the table of 2 up to till 12. 2 6 are 12. So the fourth answer is 6. Okay. And what is 8 divided by 2? 8 divided by 2. Listen dear student, there is a one word which is by. by. The number which is just attached to that word by के साथ में जो number attached है, that is your divisor. Okay, if you are dividing any number, listen carefully, if you are dividing the number, that is a dividend, and the number by which you are dividing, जिससे divide कर रहे हो, that is your divisor. So in the question number 5, the 8 is the bigger number that you want to divide in the group of 2. That means 2 is a divisor and 8 is dividend. So we have to divide the 8 by 2 and you will get 4. 4 2s is 8 or 2 4s is 8. So the fifth answer is 4. सिंपल था, बहुत इजी है. यस ना, यू कैन यूज दैट नंबर लाइन टू सॉल्व. ओके, बहुत सिंपल है. सो ट्राई टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन एंड द टिप इज ऑल्सो गिवन. साइड में टिप भी है, उसको पढ़ लो. दैट मीन्स जस्ट रीड, यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड. इफ यू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड, आई विल टेक द क्वेश्चन इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. तब तक के लिए बाय, हैव अ गुड डे. And in the next video, we will understand about the long division method. Okay, long division method, which is present on 93, and it is very very interesting methods. बहुत मजा आने वाला है. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट इसमें. चलो ठीक है, बाय.